أشهد ألا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمد رسول الله. أشهد ألا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمد رسول الله. الله أكبر. لا إله
إلا الله والله أكبر
ولله
الحمد.
Now, these two sisters of ours and one brother, they have converted to Islam. The other one was Madri Mulunji Edward Ronald. Do you like any name in Islam?
Jijeko.
Do you wish? Do you have a name of your wish? Your favorite Islamic name? Do you have?
Jijeko.
Or I'll give you. Should I give you? Now, what if I give you Zahara? Zahara means a rose. You know, a flower. Zahara. You like it? MashaAllah. I give you a name. Nabira. MashaAllah. This one, the other one was Madri. Now is Zahara. This one, Mulunji. Now, Nabira. Now she's Nabira. You? Abdul Rahim. Oh, now this one is Abdul Rahim from Ronald. Allah strengthen you. Allah bestow upon you beneficial knowledge. Islam is all about reading, studying. Your leader has some books, and your colleagues share, know how to pray, know how to bathe, know how to eat, what you recite, the supplications. Yeah, that's wish you the best, inshallah. I wish you a happy Eid, which is soon approaching. Now we are brothers and sisters, even though not from the same mom.